If you've been thinking about replacing your old windows, there's a name you can trust: Conway Windows. Homeowners across the area choose Conway Windows for energy-efficient upgrades that help save money, improve comfort, and add real value to their homes. Here's why Conway Windows stands out as the top choice for energy-efficient window replacements. First, energy efficiency is built into every window Conway installs. Their products are designed to keep outside temperatures from creeping in, helping your heating and cooling systems work less. That means lower energy bills year-round. Features like advanced low-E glass, insulated frames, and multiple panes work together to block drafts and heat transfer, making your home more comfortable whether it's the peak of summer or the dead of winter. Second, Conway Windows has earned a reputation for quality workmanship. Their installation crews are highly trained, professional, and respectful of your home. They know that even the best window will only perform well if it's installed correctly. With Conway, you can feel confident that your new windows will be properly fitted and sealed to maximize energy efficiency from day one. Another reason so many customers trust Conway is their honest, customer-centered approach. From your first consultation, you'll notice the difference. The team takes time to explain your options, answer questions, and help you find the best style and energy rating for your needs. There's no high-pressure sales pitch, just straightforward advice from experts who care about your satisfaction. Conway Windows also offers a wide selection of designs to fit any style of home. You don't have to sacrifice curb appeal for efficiency. Whether you live in a modern house or a traditional cottage, they can match the look you want while delivering energy savings that benefit you every month. Homeowners also appreciate the long-term value Conway Windows delivers. Investing in energy-efficient windows can increase your home's resale value while reducing maintenance costs. With quality materials and precision installation, Conway's products are built to last, protecting your home from the elements for many years to come. Beyond saving energy and money, Conway Windows cares about the environment. By helping homeowners cut their energy consumption, they contribute to a smaller carbon footprint and a healthier planet. You can feel good knowing that your window upgrade isn't just good for your wallet, but good for the environment, too. Many customers also point to Conway's commitment to service after the installation. If any issue arises, the company stands behind its work with strong warranties and responsive customer support. Home improvements can be stressful, but Conway makes the process easier with clear communication and dependable service. In short, Conway Windows checks all the boxes. You get high-performance, energy-efficient products that look great, installed by professionals who know their craft. You get honest advice without pushy sales tactics. And you get the peace of mind that comes with a proven local company who will stand behind its work long after the project is finished. So if you're ready to make your home more comfortable, lower your energy bills, and improve your property's value, there's no better place to start than Conway Windows. They have helped countless homeowners enjoy the benefits of modern, energy-efficient window technology, and they're ready to help you, too. Reach out today to learn more about your options, and see for yourself why Conway Windows is the top choice for energy-efficient window upgrades.